see how it's doing. Okay. So still pulling a perfect vacuum. Excellent. Alright, so this will go off first. Then I will unplug it. Turn this off. And now wait for it to fill back up there. Okay, as soon as I had turned that off and unplugged it from that side, I had forgot to unplug it from the wall. But thankfully, it wasn't, it was, I don't know, a minute maybe before I unplugged it from the wall. So it wasn't that long. But still, let's have a look and see the results. Okay. It's still warm. Alright, let me have a look at the element. The element is still solid. The element is still one solid piece. So, I need to think of another way to do it to get more power. I've got enough resistance and yeah, I've got enough resistance and conductance. All right, so let's see, still doing good on oil. Looks a little lower. Okay, that's okay. All right, so I'll have to think about what to do next. How to get more power. All right, I'll have to think about it. Come back and see what I do next, folks.